How to transfer money to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer money to Chime. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Chime's official website, or you can also use the Chime's mobile application in your device, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. Just enter your email address, your password, and just log into your account if you already have an account. And now in order to move money or transfer the money into your Chime account, all you have to do is, so whether you are new to Chime or you haven't had the chance to fully explore the app, you might be wondering how to deposit the money into Chime. So here is the process that you can follow. So if you have set up your direct deposit with Chime, you will start unlocking more exciting features in the app. So you can start with the process in the Chime app under move money, and then you can set up your direct deposit. So in the so just go to the app and you can find your employers or payroll provider right in the Chime app, and if you app if they are supported, and you can search among more than 30,000 employer, payroll and provider and employment agencies at the bottom of the sign up direct deposit section. And you can also tap on find employer, then just sign up through your employers or benefit portals, and just log directly into your payroll provider portal or government portal to update your payment method. And then just simply enter your Chime account information into the portal and choose the amount of your paycheck you would like to deposit, and then confirm with your human resource department and your payroll provider, or you can also contact your manager that the change has been implemented. And then you just simply have to get the complete form and then navigate to the move money section and then set up direct deposit. Simply tap on get completed form, and the Chime will email you with the complete direct deposit form as a PDF, and along with a voided check should your employer required it. And on the form you can say whether you want your entire paycheck direct deposit into your bank account or the specific amount or percentage deposited, and then just simply email this particular form to your manager or your HR department. And that should be set up, and once your direct deposit is set up, then you will be able to move money quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to transfer money into Chime. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.